Hello guys. Well, here is another vacuum cleaner that I have in my house. However, I do not own this vacuum, nor do I have any ownership over this vacuum. This is the vacuum that my parents and my maid uses. It is a Sanitaire SC887. And as you can tell, it has the metal motor because it has the old dial-a-nap here. The old style dial-a-nap before they updated them. So it's a Sanitaire. Has 6 height adjustments. It's kind of hard to turn. But we're going to put it on low. Then I have to put it back on normal because that's what the maid likes to have it on. Has a quick clean fan chamber. And it's the dust cup model. This needs to be clean, but the maid never really cleans a dust cup. It does need to be wiped down as well. I might do both of them. I might clean the dust cup and wipe it down. And as you notice, the cord has been replaced, and there's already a knack in this cord, because the maid is pretty reckless with it. It used to have the cool Sanitaire cord before, but not anymore. We're gonna put it... This vacuum is falling apart. I won't even go down anymore. Okay, this is weird. Seriously, this vacuum is falling apart and it's not that old. There's something... Okay, there we go. I want to flip it over and show you guys the back. Here's the back of it. And according to the serial number, this vacuum was made in the year 2000. Like I said, this is not a very old machine. It was made in the year 2000. And here's the back. It has a VG2 brush, which is very worn out. And it does need to be replaced. If it's replaced, it'll vacuum better. And now I'm going to turn it on for you guys. Oh, my hands are all black now because I flipped it over. Okay, I'm getting this set up here. Okay, you guys should be able to see the vacuum now. Okay. I think that should work. Hopefully it doesn't fall. I just wish my parents and the maid would take better care of this. This is a beauty. Vacuum is a beauty, as you notice. And here we go. And as you can notice, you don't really hear the brush very well when you vacuum with this. See, like, look at this. You can't really hear the bristles on the carpet because they're very worn out. Let's put this back on normal. And hopefully my parents will clean this vacuum up. If they do, I might make a better video of it. If not, then this is the only video I will have. And that'll be it.